Huawei could be preparing one of the biggest design changes in the history of its Mate smartphone lineup. According to a new leak, the upcoming Huawei Mate 90 series may arrive with a completely new camera design, moving away from a style that has defined Mate phones for years. For a long time, Huawei's Mate series has been easy to recognize. Since the Mate 20 Pro, the company has consistently used a large circular camera module on the back of its flagship devices. While the arrangement of the camera sensors changed from one generation to another, the overall circular look remained a key part of the Mate identity. Last year, Huawei took a slightly different approach with the Mate 80 series. Instead of using a traditional single circular camera bump, the company introduced a unique dual ring design. The layout resembled the number 8 or even an infinity symbol. Many fans saw it as a visual representation of endless possibilities and unlimited capabilities. It was a bold design choice that helped the Mate 80 series stand out from the competition. Now, a new leak suggests Huawei is ready for another major transformation. According to information shared by a well-known tipster on Weibo, the Huawei Mate 90 series will feature a brand new camera decoration, often referred to as a camera deco design. While the exact appearance remains unknown, the leak hints that Huawei is planning something significantly different from previous Mate smartphones. At this stage, there are no images or renders showing the new design. That means we can only speculate about what Huawei has in mind. However, considering the company's history of experimenting with camera layouts, expectations are already growing among smartphone enthusiasts. The camera design may not be the only major upgrade coming to the Mate 90 lineup. The leak also points towards several important hardware improvements that could make these devices some of Huawei's most advanced smartphones yet. One of the biggest highlights is expected to be the new chipset. Huawei has been making steady progress with its in-house processors, and the Mate 90 series could showcase another leap in performance. Faster speeds, better power efficiency, and improved AI processing are all areas where users could see noticeable improvements. Display technology is also rumored to receive a boost. The new phones may feature higher screen resolution and improved brightness levels. This could result in sharper visuals, better outdoor visibility, and an overall more premium viewing experience. Another exciting possibility is the arrival of a new generation multispectral camera sensor. Huawei has already shown interest in multispectral imaging technology, which helps capture more accurate colors and improve image quality in different lighting conditions. If the company introduces an upgraded version of this technology, photography could become one of the strongest selling points of the Mate 90 series. Zoom performance is also expected to improve. According to the leak, Huawei is working on an enhanced zoom sensor that could deliver better macro photography results. This means users may be able to capture detailed close-up shots while still benefiting from powerful zoom capabilities. Beyond the major upgrades, the report mentions several smaller improvements as well. Huawei could refine the vibration motor to provide better haptic feedback. The speakers may receive upgrades for improved sound quality, while communication technology could be optimized for stronger connectivity. Battery capacity may also see some improvements, helping users get even more usage from a single charge. As for the lineup itself, Huawei is rumored to be preparing multiple models. These could include the standard Huawei Mate 90, Mate 90 Pro, 90 Pro Max, and the premium Mate 90 RS Ultimate design. There are also rumors of a Mate 90 Pro Max Wind Edition, although details about this model remain uncertain. For now, everything remains in the rumor stage. However, if these leaks prove accurate, the Huawei Mate 90 series could bring one of the most significant upgrades the Mate family has seen in years. Between a completely new camera design, stronger performance, display improvements, and advanced camera technology, Huawei appears determined to make its next flagship lineup stand out in a very competitive smartphone market. The big question now is simple. What exactly will that new camera design look like? We'll have to wait for more leaks and official announcements to find out. Until then, the Mate 90 series is already shaping up to be one of the most interesting smartphone launches to watch.